Scotty.
Hi.
Do you want to...
We're getting ready to yank some parts out of some juicy stuff.
Do you want to unveil our new toy?
Dun, dun, dun! Ready? 3,
Yeah. So
2,
now extra
1. Now
carburetor
you ready?
clean.
You know
Yep.
what it looked like, right? Right?
Yes.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Ooh, clean.
Yes,
Yeah.
come here, come here, come here.
I won't be involved. Hi, guys.
Birdie's here. And Andre's here, too, somewhere. Oh, there's Andre.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
Yeah, look at this shit.
Damn.
I prefer mine to be stir-fried.
Oh, Jesus. So I still got to do some gasket scraping, but that will definitely...
Oh, dude, it's just so much better.
Look at that.
Cleaning it in simple green.
Simple green
and
water and 80 degrees Celsius.
That shit's so hot.
Yeah, I think just let it go for a while again.
Oh, yeah. Look at
But,
that. Came
I
right
mean,
off.
dude-
that was glued
Dude, look
on.
at this. Look at this plate.
Yeah, that plate.
This plate hasn't been that nice since it was brand new.
Looks absolutely new. Like, it's done. I can pull this out. I'm pulling out, Scotty. I never pull out.
Gasket.
Oh, look, get the gasket off. Are you getting off the gasket? Oh, look at this shit. Okay, was
Oh, no.
it was stuck on Sunday when I tore this up. Like the razor blade wasn't even touching it. So you see, you let it marinate a little while.
Moist.
Yes. Here you go, Scotty. Have fun with that.
I'm not scraping on that.
We'll scrape that a little. Oh, look, it's coming right off.
I'll let you scrape on that. This is your carburetor job, not mine.
Pays your bills.
This carburetor job does not pay my bills, bitch. That car pays my bills.
Pays your paycheck.
Exactly. See, there's a difference. That's not my bills.
What do you use your paycheck for?
What's his name?
Yeah, what's his name?
Oh, you know what?
Andre,
sorry,
you know
sorry.
him too?
What's her name? God.
Right.
gotta say
Right.
his-
We got to be
change.
inclusive. We got to be inclusive.
Sorry, I like men, not boys.
Yeah, mine identifies as a front fender to a '67 Mustang GT. I'm not a guy nor a girl. That's what I identify as.
Look at that. It's a fender boy over here. Anywho, look at that. Just by soaking. But look how clean that is. We'll let that marinate a little longer.
Yeah.
This one, I got to marinate, and then this was stuck on, so I'm going to let that marinate too. But so far, so good.
Yeah. I mean, it's doing good. I'm liking it.
Like, the throttle plate's done. That's beautiful. So, back into the juice. Oh, wait, pull out again.
I don't pull out.
Neither do I, but this time you have to. Hold that, Brinzy. Let's work on... We're going to do a little experiment.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. You said you wanted to do that.
Because I want to do this with the hardware, so just set it up on the side. And I want to put them in this plastic chilled area here. Because we bought a shitload of these little bins. I did. Whatever.
But you always want your gasket clean. So you can
Oh my God, no, that wasn't a chunk of a gasket. That's just grease and schmegma that was coming off of shit. Oh my God.
They're schmegma pieces.
Yeah. Smell my schmegma.
That's disgusting.
Okay. 50 or 100.
I'm not fucking doing it for you. Your shit bounces.
Hey, it's a third-party out-of-state beginner's check.
Those blank ones that when you open a checking account, you get like 3 with nothing on it.
Yeah.
That's the best.
Why do you even get those? Because nobody will take those. Like, why do they even bother with that?
I think that's so you can make it out to cash to pay yourself.
Yeah.
To get money out of your account until your ATM card is ready.
It takes checks.
Yeah, what's a fucking check?
See, will it make it like
Something
this?
old people do.
Oh, just barely.
In line in the grocery store.
Yeah, when you need to
Like a
fucking
milk?
get in and get out.
And then you have the little bitch behind the register who can't read cursive. So she's like, oh my God, I need a manager.
Ready? Here we go.
All right,
Sounds like
slowly.
Walmart.
Hold on.
That worked well.
It will once I look. You gotta get the buoyancy handled. Now the floats are gonna float, as they should. Because if they sunk,
And I work for him.
What did the first officer find when he went into the bathroom?
semen.
No, the captain's log.
Oh! Bernsey put the lid on it. All right, we're gonna let that
And
marinate.
then just hit what?
I just go down, and then vibrate, whore.
You know what? I think I'm gonna go through all the stuff with the motorcycle and bring all the bolts tomorrow.